Have always were curious to build the new structures and the tall buildings. If we go out to the history and if we study the past times, the humans have constructed the pyramids in Giza. Those were really huge structures and still are a mystery to the modern architects and modern day scientists. But with the passage of time, as the humans have discovered new ways and discovered new things, we have been building new structures. Some really skyscraper buildings, which are really phenomenal in the Europe. And one of the very tall building I would like to talk about is the Burj Khalifa, which was constructed in 2004. The construction started in 2004 and was completed in 2009. The building was constructed in the Dubai. When the rule of the Dubai thought that they should convert the economy of Dubai from the oil-based economy to a tourist-based economy. In order to convert that economy, they need an attractive structure, an attractive environment where people from outside the world can come and visit, and they could invest in that country. For that purpose, the Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum invested a huge money in construction of the Burj Al Khalifa. It's a 828-meter long high building. 828-meter high building consists of 163 floors. For the construction purpose, 118 steel piles were drilled into the ground to disperse the load of the building. As a massive building, it carries a huge amount of load which needs to be disposed into the ground in order to make the building an earthquake and protect the building from any kind of tornadoes or hurricanes. They need to drill those piles. Well, the Burj Al Khalifa consists of a lot of floors and a lot of rooms too. With a luxurious touch in them, they have a huge gold-plated things and and walls are made by the Venetian stucco, and the whole building was constructed by very experienced architects and by very experienced engineers, and building was decorated by very famous interior designers too. Well, the glass panels outside the building were customized. Well, in the start of the building, when the engineers found that the glass panels could increase the temperature of the building through the 50 Celsius or to the 100 Celsius, they found it at a promise that the building is going to need a lot of energy in order to be ventilated and in order to be cooled down. For that purpose, they customized the glass and they established a whole new factory just to make the glass panels for that building. Apart from the glass panels, the whole building is made up of the steel and the concrete material, which are very durable as per the engineering rules and as per the engineering discoveries. The Burj Al Khalifa holds nine world records for different things, such as tallest building in the world, tallest restaurant in the world, tallest lift elevator in the world, lift or elevator, I'll say. And apart from that, the Dubai itself is the least conservative out of the Emirates. Out of all the Emirates, Dubai is the least conservative, and the Burj Al Khalifa holds different records for all those purposes. Well, the checking in a Burj Al Khalifa could be very expensive, and only the high class and the people with lots of money could only afford that. Well, but if you can afford that, you get a lot of different things, and you get a lot of luxurious touch, and you're gonna experience a royal things. You can experience a royal protocols. You can experience royal living. Burj Al Khalifa itself is a living legend. It's a building, but no doubt it's a mystery in itself.